Setting up an email support channel involves several steps that are external from your Zendesk account. When your email's forwarding rules are not set up properly, you may see an error message stating that the forwarding check failed. In this tutorial, you will see 2 examples of how to fix forwarding errors. This video shows examples that may help you and your email admin resolve a forwarding issue. First, open Admin Center. Navigate to Channels and under Talk and Email Settings, select Email. If your forwarding settings are not set up correctly, admins will see the error message, Forwarding check failed, or Forwarding check waiting. The Gmail connector allows you to link a Gmail account quickly when adding a support address. Once connected, the message Connected to Google Mail will appear beside the support address. If the connection status does not display Verified, or if you see the error, Unable to receive emails from this address, open Connected to Google Mail and click Reconnect in the message below. Follow the steps outside of Zendesk to log back into your Gmail account and restore the connection. Enable all necessary permissions for the Gmail account. Click Continue. Look for the green verification checkmark that confirms that emails are forwarded through the connection. Next, you will see an example of how to resolve standard Gmail or Google Workspace forwarding issues. If you are experiencing forwarding issues with a Google account, you may see a forwarding error next to your Gmail address without the message Connected to Google Mail. Sign into your Gmail account and navigate to your settings. Go to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP section. In the Forwarding section, forward a copy of your incoming mail to your Zendesk default support address. If you have not added your default address as a forwarding address, you can do that now. Save your changes in your Gmail account. Check to see if you received a confirmation email in your Gmail account. Once Gmail forwarding has been confirmed, navigate back to the email section of Admin Center. Locate the Gmail address and under See Details, click Verify Forwarding. If you are still experiencing issues, delete the support address and add it again. Click Add Address and then Connect Other to connect your Google account. Enter your address and confirm that you have forwarded the Google account to your default support address. Locate the green confirmation checkmark to verify that forwarding is set up correctly. You now have a few examples for how to fix potential forwarding issues with your email channel. As a reminder, you may require some additional support from your company's email admin to fix problems with an external email setup. Thanks for watching.